No matter what kind of challenges or difficulties or painful situations you go through in your life, we all have something deep within us that we can reach down and find that inner strength to get through it all. Hey guys, welcome to your yoga spot. I'm Angelina. In this video, I'll show you some yoga postures to help you feel energized, build strength and flexibility within your body and your mind. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell button to receive notifications for new video tutorials. Now grab your yoga mat and let's go do some yoga. Standing in Tadasana, take a nice deep breath in, sweep your arms up, exhale, forward fold. Gently walk your hands to the top of your mat, shifting yourself into downward facing dog. Inhale, exhale, bring yourself into high plank. And we're going to pulse your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch to the left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly shift yourself back into downward facing dog. Raise your right leg to the sky, then shift that right leg between the palms of your hand to the top of your mat. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, warrior 2. Reverse your right palm up high, then drop your left hand behind you. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Shift yourself back to warrior 2, then bring both hands to the front. Then raise your arms up, drop your elbows to the side, and give yourself a little baby back bend. Breathe. Bring both elbows together. Crisscross your right over your left. Pivot your hips forward. Inhale, exhale, unwind your arms, then bring your hands to the prayer namaste behind you into a humble warrior. Pivot forward, breathe, exhale, raise your elbows. Bring yourself back to warrior 1, then drop your palms back down to the earth. Bringing yourself into a nice lunge, shift yourself back into downward facing dog. Now raise your left leg, bring that left foot to the top of your mat between your palms. Inhale, exhale, warrior 1, raise your arms up high. Deep breath in. Exhale, warrior 2. Raise your left palm up high. Bring your right palm behind you. Warrior 2. Bring your palms to the front, then up high, then drop your elbows and give yourself a nice little baby back bend. Crisscross your right elbow over your left. Your left leg is at a nice 90-degree angle, your right leg to the back of your mat. Pivot forward. Inhale, exhale, rise. Then draw your hands behind your back into the prayer namaste. Again, pivot forward into a nice humble warrior. Slow, steady breath in. Exhale, slowly rise. Release your arms, bend your elbows, shift back into warrior 1, raise your arms up high, then bring your palms down to the earth, shifting yourself back into downward facing dog. Shift yourself into a high plank, moving into chaturanga push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Slowly drop your knees, shift yourself into child's pose. Inhale, tuck your toes, exhale, high plank. Then windshield wipe your heels to the right of your mat. Raise your left arm high to the sky, transitioning yourself into side plank, also known as Vashisthasana. Drop your left palm to your mat, windshield wipe your heels to the left of your mat. Raise your right hand high to the sky. Now transition yourself back into downward facing dog. Drop your knees, arch your back, inhale, exhale, back into child's pose. Take a moment, connect with your breath. Draw your palms together behind you and sweet surrender. Slowly rise and remember to let your light shine from the inside out. Namaste, my friends.